Hello, this is Mike Walt from Elm3 Technologies. I'm going to demonstrate our inline labeling tool. The first step in using AI for object detection or classification for inspection is to gather a number of samples and label them. Normally this is done by taking a number of pictures and taking them offline and labeling them using a tool like Label LMG. LM3 has added a feature to its version 6.1 Packy software to allow you to do this in production. In this version, we've added a feature to allow an inspector or operator to label the objects as they come off the line or fixture as the pictures are taken. When the cycle completes as far as acquisition is concerned, the system displays all objects found with bounding boxes for where each object was detected. The inspector would then mark any object that is defective or missing or in the wrong location by pressing on the bounding box. When you have labeled all of the objects, press the right arrow to go on to the next picture. You'll notice you're given the option to save or continue. If you press continue, you can go back and remark the features, or save and go on to the next image. For this image, everything is in good shape and in the right location, so we can go ahead and press the right arrow and save the image. On this next one, the star is a little bit offset, so we're going to want to skip this one, at which time no label file will be stored. This one looks okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save it. In this one, the star is missing, so we're going to want to mark that as a defect and then go ahead and hit the right arrow and save, store the label. In the next one, there is a defect in the square block, so I want to mark that as a defect and then save. This one looks good, so I'm going to go ahead and save that. As previously mentioned, this labeling tool runs in parallel and on top of the normal image acquisition software, so the operator or inspector can take their time labeling the pictures correctly. The serial number for the image being labeled is shown in the top right as a reference, and all labeling statistics are displayed and stored on the local drive so that you can refer to them to know how many pictures have been labeled.